I went to college really young. I did a dual enrollment program. I started at the age of 15 and I graduated college at the age of 18. So my mission is to increase the number of Black planners and to increase diversity within the planning field. So what I do through that mission is to conduct workshops for youth, teaching them about the field of urban planning, as well as do career coaching for up-and-coming planning students and those moving into the career force. A lot of the barriers in the field of planning as it relates to diversity is the fact that a lot of people don't know what the field of urban planning is. So exposing at least the youth, starting at that level, exposing them to other fields to work in beyond the generic normal fields that most people go into is at least the first step into moving them into towards possibly becoming an urban planner one day. I really think that as an encouragement for other planners that are in a similar situation as myself, being young, being a person of color, being a female, is that you have to have, your own personal confidence. I think that's really the only way you could overcome and not succumb to a lot of the pressures on the outside, really knowing your worth, because it's not just with the coworkers, but it's also with the public that you deal with. I've dealt with some people that have, asked to talk to a male, I guess because they felt like, because I was a female, I couldn't really speak to them. I've had some people say, why did you guys bring this child out here to speak to me? And all those different things, not really knowing, my experience and my background and my education. So it has been a challenge, but, you just have to not let it hit your heart. You have to just, rub it off and, just keep moving forward.